Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus KPK Book Foundation Physics SSC 1 Unit number 1 Physical Quantities and Measurement. According to SLO base or requirement of FBISC SLO base question numerical problems question number 4 to 6 in part 2. In previous part 1 we will discuss question number 1 to 3. In this video we will discuss question number 4 to 6. Let's start the today lesson. Numerical problem question number 4. In question number 4, the given statement, the smallest bird is the bee hummingbird. Male measures only 0.057 meter. Convert the number to standard form and write their answer in a millimeter. First of all, we write the given data. In given data, size of B is in a meter 0.057 meter. Now we will write the standard form. First of all, we will discuss about when we will move from right to left, so decimal power 10 raised to power is positive. When we will move from left to right, so this is the clockwise direction. In clockwise direction, 10 raised to power is a negative. First of all, to find that in a part standard form and in a B part size of B in a millimeter. Now let's start the solution from A part. In a scientific notation, we know that n is equal to m multiplied by 10 raised to power n. Here we will move from left to right. Then the decimal place move 2 digits 0 and 5. So 1 and 2. So decimal place move 2 digits. Then we write that 5.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. In a scientific notation, the answer is 5.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Now in a B part, convert into millimeter. We also know that 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to power 3 millimeter. Then we convert the answer, so we have size of B is 5.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 millimeter. Here bases are same, so power will be added. Then we write that size of B is equal to 5.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2 plus 3. When both are added, then answer is 5.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1. Here we can write in also standard form, then 57 multiplied by 10 raised to power plus 1 minus 1, because decimal place move from left to right. Then decimal place move from left to right, power is negative. So 57 multiplied by 10 raised to power plus 1 minus 1. So answer is 57 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0 millimeter. Then we can write that any base power 10 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So size of B is equal to 57 millimeter. We can write that the size of B in a millimeter is 57 millimeter. Now we will move the numerical problem question number 5. In question number 5, given statement, calculate the distance from Peshawar to Lahore in a millimeter. Then first of all, we write the given data. Distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 489 kilometers. So we will write the distance in a millimeter. So here we can find that distance from Peshawar to Lahore in a millimeter is equal to question mark. Now we will start the solution. Distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 489 kilometers. Then because we know that 1 kilo is equal to 10 raised to power 3. So we can write that distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 489 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 meter. We also write that distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 489 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 millimeter, because we also know that 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to power 3 millimeter. So we can putting the values in a 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to power 3 millimeter. Then we write that distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 489 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 plus 3. Because bases are same, then power will be added. So 489 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 plus 3 millimeter. 3 plus 3 is 6. So distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 489 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 millimeter. Now we will have 4.89 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2. Write in a scientific notation, because decimal place move from 2 digits right to left, so power will be positive. Then distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 4.89 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 millimeter. Same, here bases are same, then power will be added. Similarly, 4.89 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then distance from Peshawar to Lahore is 4.89 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 millimeter. Now therefore, distance from Peshawar to Lahore in millimeter is 4.89 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 millimeter. Now we will start the numerical problem question number 6. In question number 6, which of the following is the accurate divide for meaning of length? Measuring length in first part, a vernier caliper with the main scale is 1 millimeter, marking a and 50 division on a sliding scale. Now in a B part, a screw gauge of a pitch 1 millimeter and 25 division on the circular scale. So first of all, write the given data. Smallest division on main scale of vernier caliper is 1 millimeter. Also, Total number of division on vernier scale is 50. So pitch of screw gauge is 1 millimeter. Therefore, the total number of division on circular scale is 25. So we write the both part of given data. Here in A part, smallest division on main scale of vernier caliper is 1 millimeter and total number of division on vernier scale is 50. Similarly, we write the given data of B part, pitch of screw gauge is 1 millimeter and total number of division on circular scale is 25. Now we can find the solution. First of all, A part. Least count of vernier caliper is given by. Then least count is equal to smallest reading on main scale divided by number of division on vernier scale. Then least count is equal to 1 millimeter divided by 50. So the least count of vernier caliper is equal to 0.02 millimeter. Similarly, we can find the least count of screw gauge according to the given data. Now we know that least count of screw gauge is equal to pitch of screw gauge divided by number of division on circular scale. Now putting the values, then least count is equal to 1 millimeter pitch of screw gauge divided by 25 number of division on circular scale. So 1 divided by 25 is equal to 0.04 millimeter. So the least count of screw gauge according to given data is 0.04 millimeter. Here we can find the solution. Least count of vernier caliper according to the given data is 0.02 millimeter and the least count of screw gauge according to given data is 0.04 millimeter. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Best of luck. Take care. La as the least count of vernier caliper is smaller than the screw gauge. So in this case vernier caliper is more accurate result of the measuring length. Best of luck.